Well, slips, trips, and falls have become the most common forms of injury for employees of the Minnesota Department of Transportation. While the icy roads may be all but gone for the season, MnDOT is still having its employees freshen up on how to deal with slippery surfaces. Matt Rainier shows us how they train for it.
The roads may be clear, but MnDOT is staying prepared. Last year, the department instituted a new slip training simulator designed to help employees develop better walking techniques when on slippery surfaces.
Last year and years before, we've paid over $4 million in workers' compensation for slip, trips, and falls.
MnDOT said last year it saw its numbers for slips, trips, and falls go from 79 to 121. It also added how this is the second leading cause of injury across all state employees, and it's #1 for MnDOT. All MnDOT employees are required to complete the training. And even I strapped on the harness and shoes to give the simulation a try. MnDOT says the simulator is meant to help employees have these walking techniques become second nature.
And so this is something where you're going to learn the technique, and it's going to build that muscle memory, so you will, it'll ingrain in your head of the proper walking techniques.
MnDOT says the simulator provides a more hands-on experience employees wouldn't get out of traditional teaching methods.
The instructors are there to kind of give you some pointer. Like I stopped at one point to clarify, how am I supposed to lift this foot or what weight, rather than I get home and go, let's see, what did they say again?
What I like about this is it's hands-on, and we as adult learners, we learn by doing. And so watching it in the PowerPoint is way different than doing it in real life, because again, that muscle memory is going to kick in. You walk the first time, the second time you applied it, when you go out in the field, you're going to think twice about it.
The department's mobile training simulator wrapped up sessions in Rochester yesterday before being transported to other locations across the state for training sessions.